Hello everyone, this is Derpy01 here, and we are on the Hive. As you can see, we're on the Hive. And we are playing one of my favorite games, Death Run. If you've never played this before, the goal is, well, to run. So there are two people, and they are trying to kill everyone. But you have to try to escape. If you, well, they click a button and the trap goes off. And like it's a death trap. And there are only 2 deaths and a ton of runners. So the runners have to try to make it to the end, first, second, or third place. And once the first person makes it to the end, counts off 60 seconds until the game ends. So it's a long way. You have to try to not get killed by the traps. And I guess we're starting. Here we go. Okay, so if you do /vote, and then /vote space your number, and then you vote for that. Like, do /vote, it'll name the votes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you do /vote and then space, then pick the number 1 through 6, it will make you do that vote. That's your vote. So lots of people vote for school and for the school map. Here we go. It gives you an early release. Ready? Let's see the death people, and use the parkour to stay on the green blocks. Watch. So people jump on it, click the button, red blocks go away. That's a trap. I know that trap. The water kills you. So yeah, the water kills you. Beware of that. And this one went already went off. Right, so here we go. That trap already went off. What? Oh, I jumped. So we still have this trap ready to go. But there we go. Okay, so this is a trap. That's the trap. Oh, and you have a certain amount of lives. So crap, I died. So it's just laggy. I don't know what's happening with lag. Wait. Okay, I wanna still do this. So let's see, we're still like this. Then we have to see a player in. Player got to the finish, so end some 60 seconds, and then this guy and me are trying to finish. Okay, we're playing. Just want to try out the map because I've never tried the map before. And we have this. Oh, I see what it does. Oh, it blocks you off. Oh, that's cool. This one. I have no idea. How the crap you do that one? Oh, oh, I see. I see. Invisible box. That's how it works. And this one. Then there's this one. Oh, game ended. Game ended. Oh yeah, just so you know, that's not redstone block. That's a diamond block. I have a texture back. Cut first one. 4, because I kept editing it. Now bows look like guns, and arrows look like bullets. It's a fun game. Play it again. So, see, /vote tells you all the votes. I want to vote for number 4. So vote space 4. You receive your vote. Your map has now 1 vote. Oh, see, school has 2 votes. So /vote to see the votes. School has 4 votes, and mine only has 1. And you can't vote twice, so you can only vote once. So pick wisely. You can just keep doing this. Oh, school has 5 votes now. You can also vote for, if you don't care which one you choose, then you can do vote space 6, which is you can vote for a random map. Like you don't care which map it is. So you just want to keep it updated. Oh, school won. Whenever it says vote has ended, the map school won is won. You can't vote anymore, and then the game will start in like 50 seconds. And I'm not a deaf person. That was lag. I'm just gonna stay in here because this is not the early release, people. It's not the early release. Come on, did that not work? Dang it. Okay, that's strange. Okay. Very strange. Very strange. Oh, here we go. Yay. Oh, weird person. Very... Okay. I'm done with that. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Nope, not falling for it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Nope, nope. Oh, no. Oh. No. No. Dang it, I was trying to go back. Oh, right. I have straight back. I forgot. I don't care. I just hacked it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I just did. Yeah, I did. Yeah, you just... Okay, whatever. No, I'm not going swimming, actually. Stay on the green blocks, mostly. Because the green blocks don't get destroyed. Nope. I already passed this part. I don't need to do it. Why? Can I not do this part? I want to skip it. I should have. Nope, nope, nope. Arrow shooting at me. No arrow shooting at me. The principal. Oh no. Game. Someone did it. Someone's. No. Come on, come on, come on. I can do this. I can do this. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Good, good, let's go, let's go. No, you're not gonna get me. Oh, wow. That just missed me. Holy. I finished. Yes, I finished. Yeah, I finished. Dang it, I finished 5th. No, wait. What did I get? What place did I get? Did I get 2nd? I think I got 2nd. Yeah. No! Dang it, I didn't win. Oh, you can see how to play that now. It's on the Hive. If you want to play it, very fun. I'm not saying this because the game's video is not ending now. Like I said in my last video that I just made earlier, these videos are going to be short. So, and I just uploaded like 8 minutes ago. Yeah, so, cause I can probably, I'm not voting for school. No, please, not school. 1, voting for 1. Oh, oops, no, oops. Need more players to start the game. Come on, people. You can join. Come on, people. You join. Yeah, you join. Yeah, you join. No. Oh, did you see that hack? That was no hack. That was a cheat. No, let's go. Oh, boo. I'm so sorry. Oh, so they let you run around. I thought you weren't supposed to be running around. So they let you run around. Yeah. Yeah, I can fly. Yeah. Okay, maybe not now. Here we go. Go. When this is over, I'm gonna have to end the video because it's about like 13 minutes and I don't want it to end the video. I might have to end the video during this. When I die, I'll probably, I don't know. Go. No, not jumping. Oh, not jumping for it. Oh, come on. Should I hack this? No. Okay. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? What the crap? Oh my gosh. I'm hacking next one. So hacking next one. Alright, well, actually not with the minute because this video is about to end. So, yeah. Well, thanks for watching this video. Rate, comment, subscribe, like, whatever you want to do. And